Mathematics, types of triangles with angles. Title for today's lesson, Angles, types of triangles, our learning objectives. What is a scalene triangle and how to work out its angles? What is an equilateral triangle and how to work out its angles? What is an isosceles triangle and how to work out its angles? A scalene triangle is a triangle where all three sides have different lengths and all three internal angles have different measurements. No sides are equal, no angles are equal. Internal angles always add up to 180. The sum of any two sides must be greater than the third side. Equilateral triangle is where all three sides are equal in length and all three internal angles are exactly 60 degrees. Internal angles always add up to 180. The red lines show that all of them are the same length. Isosceles triangle is a triangle with at least two equal sides and two equal angles. The angles opposite the equal sides are always equal, base angles. Internal angles always add up to 180. Can you identify which of these triangles is an equilateral triangle? 3, 2, 1. Choose. Can you identify which of these triangles is an isosceles triangle? 3, 2, 1. Choose. Can you identify which one of these triangles is a right-angled triangle? 3, 2, 1. Choose. Can you finish off this statement? A scalene triangle has 3, 2, 1. Choose. Can you complete the following sentence? A triangle has 3, 2, 1. Choose. In review of today's lesson, we now know what a scalene triangle is and how to work out its angles. We've also shown what an equilateral triangle is and also how to work out its angles. And finally, we have shown what an isosceles triangle is and also how to work out its angles. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson and gained the knowledge required to pass your exams. If you have and like to see further videos to help boost your grades, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you and goodbye.